Mactan Island is more than just the site of Cebu's best beach resorts. It also holds a piece of history, commemorated in a shrine dedicated to the island's first hero, Datu Lapu-Lapu. Mactan Shrine preserves the earliest history of the Philippines. It was here on 27th of April 1521 that Ferdinand Magellan was fatally wounded at the hands of Chief Lapu-Lapu. This heritage site contains a painting, plaque, and the two important shrines, the Lapu-Lapu Shrine and the Magellan Shrine. The Lapu-Lapu Shrine is a 20-meter or 65.5 feet high bronze statue of Lapu-Lapu, the Filipino warrior king who commanded the native forces that fought the invading Spanish forces in the Battle of Mactan in 1521 and killed their leader, the navigator Ferdinand Magellan. Just meters away from the Lapu-Lapu Shrine is the Magellan Shrine. This monument was raised to Ferdinand Magellan, the Portuguese navigator, who commanded the Spanish fleet sent out by the Spanish King Charles I. Later, the Holy Roman Emperor Charles V in 1519 to find a western sea route to Asia via southern tip of South America, and the spices such as nutmeg and cloves that the Spice Islands, now known as the Moluccas and part of Indonesia, produced. The Magellan Marker. In an open-fronted shelter inside the grounds of the Mactan Shrine is a panoramic painting of the Battle of Mactan in the so-called Magellan Marker erected in 1941 by the National Historical Institute. It constructed of marble and has two plaques. Every year in April, during the anniversary of the Battle of Mactan, the heritage site hosts the Kadaogan sa Mactan, a reenactment of the epic battle.
There are many ways on how to be a responsible heritage tourist, but as we visit Mactan Shrine, there are two important things to remember on how to be a responsible heritage tourist. First, shop locally. To better support the local economy, instead of buying mass-produced souvenirs from malls, shop locally from street markets and that sell handmade crafts, clothes, and jewelry. Second, and the most important thing is strictly leave no trace. When we visit Mactan Shrine or any heritage destination, it is important to keep our trashes with us and not just leave them anywhere that can pollute the area. If we would wish to minimize or eliminate the effects of waste, then we start by managing our own.
If there's one thing we can do in visiting heritage destinations such as Mactan Shrine, leave positive footprints. Be a responsible tourist.